traveling on the 2026 Mercedes Motorhome. Don't forget, like this video and subscribe to Dream Drive Homes.
Welcome back to the channel. And today we're diving into something truly spectacular that's redefining luxury travel on wheels. The 2026 Mercedes Motorhome represents the pinnacle of engineering excellence, comfort, and innovative design that Mercedes-Benz has been perfecting for decades. If you've been dreaming about hitting the open road without sacrificing the comforts of home, this might just be the vehicle that changes everything you thought you knew about motorhome travel. What immediately strikes you about this magnificent machine is its commanding presence. Built on Mercedes-Benz's proven commercial truck chassis, this motorhome doesn't just look impressive. It embodies the kind of German engineering precision that the brand is famous for worldwide. The chassis provides exceptional stability and durability, ensuring that whether you're cruising down highways or navigating challenging terrain, you're doing so with confidence and safety. The dual rear axle configuration with 6 wheels total gives this beast the kind of weight distribution and handling, characteristics that make it feel more like driving a luxury car than piloting a mobile home. The foundation of this motorhome is built on decades of Mercedes commercial vehicle expertise. The frame is constructed from high-strength steel that's designed to handle the rigors of long-distance travel while maintaining structural integrity for years to come. This isn't just any chassis, specifically engineered to support the weight of a fully loaded luxury motorhome, while providing the kind of ride quality that keeps passengers comfortable mile after mile. The exterior design is where Mercedes has truly pushed boundaries. Featuring bold, flowing lines and aerodynamic curves, this motorhome looks like it belongs in the future. The vibrant orange-red metallic finish we're looking at today is just one of many premium paint options available. And those striking white accent stripes that flow along the sides aren't just for show. They're carefully designed to enhance the vehicle's aerodynamic profile, while creating a visual masterpiece that turns heads wherever it goes. The massive panoramic windows aren't just impressive to look at. They're engineered with multi-layer tinted glass that provides insulation, UV protection, and privacy when needed, all while flooding the interior with natural light. Step inside and you're immediately transported into a world of luxury that rivals high-end apartments. The 2026 model features an open concept floor plan that maximizes every square inch of available space. The living area boasts premium leather seating that can accommodate your entire family or group of friends comfortably. These aren't just seats, they're ergonomically designed recliners with heating, cooling, and massage functions. The entertainment system is state-of-the-art, featuring a large 4K smart TV that rises from a hidden compartment, integrated surround sound speakers throughout the cabin, and connectivity options that keep you linked to the world even when you're miles from civilization. The kitchen in this motorhome is nothing short of extraordinary. Mercedes has partnered with top appliance manufacturers to include a full-size residential refrigerator with ice maker, a convection microwave oven, a 3-burner induction cooktop, and even a dishwasher. The countertops are solid surface material that's both beautiful and incredibly durable, with plenty of prep space for creating gourmet meals on the road. Storage is abundant with soft close drawers and cabinets that are designed to stay securely shut even when traveling over rough roads. There's even a built-in espresso machine because Mercedes understands that coffee is essential, no matter where your adventures take you. Moving to the sleeping quarters, the overcab area features a spacious primary bedroom with a queen-size memory foam mattress that rivals what you'd find in luxury hotels. The bedroom includes its own climate control zone, reading lights, USB charging ports, and storage compartments. But that's not all. The rear of the motorhome features an additional bedroom or can be configured as a versatile space that converts from a comfortable lounge area during the day to sleeping accommodations at night. Privacy dividers can section off different areas, making it perfect for families or groups who want their own space. The bathroom deserves special mention because this is where many motorhomes fall short. but not the 2026 Mercedes. You get a full-size shower with rainfall shower head and handheld sprayer, porcelain toilet, and a vanity with plenty of counter space and storage. The materials used are moisture-resistant and easy to clean, with ventilation systems that prevent any humidity issues. There's even a heated floor option for those chilly morning routines. The mirror includes integrated LED lighting and anti-fog features, making your morning routine as pleasant as it would be at home. When it comes to connectivity and entertainment, this motorhome is fully equipped for the digital age. High-speed internet connectivity through multiple cellular carriers ensures you can work remotely, stream content, or stay in touch with loved ones from virtually anywhere. The Wi-Fi system includes boosters that extend the range and signal strength, making it possible to maintain connections even in remote locations. Every seating area includes USB charging ports and wireless charging pads for your devices, ensuring everyone stays powered up throughout the journey. Technology integration is where this motorhome truly shines in the modern era. The central control system allows you to manage literally everything from a touchscreen panel or your smartphone. Lighting, climate control in multiple zones, slide-out extensions, leveling jacks, awnings, entertainment systems, security cameras, and even tank-level monitoring are all at your fingertips. The system provides real-time diagnostics and maintenance reminders, ensuring your motorhome stays in peak condition. Multiple backup cameras provide a 360-degree view around the vehicle, making parking and maneuvering surprisingly easy for such a large vehicle. The driving experience itself is remarkable. The Mercedes diesel engine provides ample power while maintaining impressive fuel efficiency for a vehicle of this size. The transmission is smooth and responsive, and the air suspension system can be adjusted for different road conditions or to level the vehicle when parked. The captain's chairs in the cab are fully adjustable with lumbar support, and the dashboard is intuitive with both analog gauges and a digital display showing all vital information. Advanced driver assistance systems include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking. Storage capacity is another area where Mercedes has excelled. The exterior features massive pass-through storage compartments that can accommodate camping gear, bicycles, sports equipment, and anything else you need for extended travels. These compartments are weatherproof and lockable, with interior lighting for easy access even at night. There are also dedicated spaces for utility hookups, waste tanks that are easy to drain, and a powerful generator that can run all your systems when you're not connected to shore power. Energy independence is increasingly important for modern travelers, and the 2026 model can be equipped with solar panels on the roof that provide supplemental power for extended off-grid adventures. The battery bank system stores energy efficiently, and an inverter system allows you to run standard household appliances without worry. This means you can camp in remote locations without sacrificing modern conveniences. Climate control throughout the motorhome is managed by a powerful yet quiet HVAC system that can heat or cool the entire space efficiently. Individual zone controls mean different areas can be set to different temperatures, accommodating everyone's preferences. The insulation is exceptional, keeping the interior comfortable in both extreme heat and cold conditions. Safety features are comprehensive and include everything you'd expect from Mercedes-Benz. Fire suppression systems, carbon monoxide and propane leak detectors, emergency exits, and a robust structural design all contribute to peace of mind. The tires are commercial grade with pressure monitoring systems, and the braking system includes ABS and electronic stability. Controls specifically calibrated for a vehicle of this size and weight. The vehicle also includes collision avoidance technology that can detect potential hazards and alert the driver, or even apply brakes automatically in emergency situations. Build quality throughout the motorhome reflects Mercedes-Benz's legendary attention to detail. Every cabinet, drawer, and door is constructed with precision engineering and premium materials. The fit and finish rivals luxury yachts with no gaps, squeaks, or rattles, even after thousands of miles of travel. Hardware is solid metal rather than plastic, ensuring longevity and reliability. The flooring is high-grade vinyl or hardwood, depending on configuration, chosen not just for aesthetics, but for durability and ease of maintenance. The exterior also features thoughtful design elements that enhance functionality. An electric awning extends at the touch of a button, providing shade and outdoor living space. LED lighting around the perimeter creates ambience for evening gatherings and improves visibility. External speakers allow you to enjoy music outside, and there are multiple outdoor entertainment options available. Some configurations even include an outdoor kitchen setup with grill and refrigerator access from the exterior, perfect for tailgating or campsite cooking. The 2026 Mercedes Motorhome represents a significant investment. But for those who value quality, comfort, and the freedom to explore without compromise, it's an investment that pays dividends in experiences and memories. Whether you're planning cross-country adventures, attending special events, or simply want the flexibility to travel on your own terms, this motorhome provides everything you need and more. The attention to detail, quality of construction, and thoughtfulness of design make this more than just a vehicle. It's a mobile sanctuary that allows you to take the comforts and conveniences of home wherever your wanderlust leads you. The ability to wake up to mountain views one day and oceanside sunrises the next, all while enjoying 5-star accommodations, is truly priceless. This isn't just transportation. It's a lifestyle choice that opens up endless possibilities for adventure, while maintaining the comfort and luxury you deserve. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more amazing vehicle reviews and travel content.